Hi friends, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today I'm bringing you another planter makeover. This planter belongs to friends of mine, Susanna and Carlos, and they brought it over last week and asked if I could help them out and give it a makeover, so that's what I'm going to do today. So some of these succulents here look a little sad. This guy right here, this poor, looks like it was a baby necklace at some point. It's looking super crispy, so I won't be reusing this one in there. Oh, and I also want to say hi to Savannah and Sam. They are really awesome viewers, and I just wanted to say hi to them, and thank you so much to everyone that watches. This guy here, I probably won't be using either. This is a really nice cactus. It looks like a cucumber. So I will also be refreshing the soil, so I'll be adding in some new cactus and succulent soil. And then this Haworthia is also very pretty, and I will probably be adding it back in. I'm taking out some of the existing soil, and then I'll be adding some new one in, just to freshen it up a bit. I'm going to start by adding some of the hanging succulents. This is a trailing jade, and it's really beautiful when it gets stressed in the sun and it gets a lot of bright light. It starts to change color and turn into this pretty purple. I think I'm gonna put the lizard like somewhere in the center. This one I'll put right here. Perfection. Huh. Yeah, I can put that back here. Where am I gonna put my cacti? That's somewhere right there. Carlos and Susanna had asked me to use the succulents that they brought from home in the new arrangement, but I just discovered that they are infested with mealybugs, so I won't be using them because if I add them in here, all the other succulents are going to get infested, so these need to be treated, and I will be omitting them from the arrangement. So let's get these guys out of the way. I will be using this cute gecko, and all I'm going to do is remove it from this stick that it's on. I think it should be easy just to pull off. I think I need pliers though. Got it. Yes. So I want to put him. Oh. Thank you so much for watching this planter makeover. I'm gonna go inside because I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao for now. Bye.